Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and simply look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. As you can see, Do Not Disturb. Once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can also hold the toggle like so, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. Now we can start off by going through these options. So we have people, apps, and alarms and other interruptions. So people basically allows you to select who can call you and who can message you, and you have the choices for both of them the same. Everyone, contacts, favorites, and basically no one, with a caller or calls having this additional option right here for allow repeated callers. So if you turn that on and someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass the selection right here. So as you can see, even though it would be set to none, if they meet this requirement, they will completely bypass this restriction and be able to reach me, as though Do Not Disturb mode is not even on. And like I mentioned, messages is basically the same thing. So you can select everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And then we have also what kind of apps can give you interruptions when it's toggled on, and also alarms and other interruptions. Along with right here we have a schedule. So this will allow you to set up a schedule so that the Do Not Disturb mode would turn on and off automatically at a provided day of the week and time. So as you can see, you just customize this, and all you need to do is make sure that it is toggled right here. So once you turn that on from here, you don't need to toggle anything extra. Like, you don't need to press this. The device will do it for you. So yeah. And under advanced, we have duration for quick settings and the display option for hidden notification. So this thing refers to the toggle. So whenever you press on this toggle, you can select it to be until you turn it off. So you will need to toggle it again or tap on it again to turn it off. You have for a specific amount of hours, so you can hard set it right here. And every time you tap on the toggle in your notifications, it will turn on for 4 hours. And then you have Ask Every Time, which will bring this window up every single time you tap on the toggle from your notification and allows you to choose. And additionally, it allows you to also change the amount of hours you want on the go. And that's basically all the settings. So anyway, once you have gone through the settings and customized it to your liking, and tap on a toggle if you want to toggle it manually, and choose one of the options, assuming you have selected the same way I did. So Ask Every Time. If not, it will automatically turn on. So it will be turned on. And then once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off, wait for the timer to run out. Or if you're using a schedule, you don't even need to do anything here. Just simply set up the schedule and wait for it to turn on and off on its own. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.